I got gold around my neck, that shit'll make you blink.
Whew, YouTube, what is up? What's good, you guys? It's the Bull Nate. Shout out to the Bull Nate. You're feeling good, man. I'm feeling good. Speaking of feeling good, I'm starting to look good. Hey, these gym gains starting to come up a little bit. But enough of that. As always, the video, get a thumbs up. Today, back with a unboxing. And it's pretty much a very special unboxing because it's a tech unboxing, which I haven't done really too much tech on this video. Well, not recent years. I believe the last one I did was the iPhone 15 I got. But today we have get out the damn box here. Ooh. But bam. The focus. You can see that? I got the Apple Watch. Yes, sir. So this is actually something I've been kind of looking to get for a while now. Especially now since I'm starting to work out and move around and this and the third. I believe getting an Apple Watch is very essential. There we go. So that's how to how you open this? How you open this contraption? All right, here we go. Wait, I went something wrong. Hello? Oh, okay. So here's the band, and then I guess this is the this is the actual watch. Okay, ain't no came separately like that. I thought it was like it came like band. I mean, I thought it came like all together. I thought it came like band with the watch, like I would like no watches, but no, got like the watch face or the face here, and then the band. So I actually ended up getting the newest one. This is like the Series 9, mainly because I don't know, like when I buy something like for the first time, I'm not trying to get like the newest edition unless it's like not overly pricey. You know, might as well. Unless it's like a car, because a car you can get like a used car like that. But yeah, but I'm like yeah, like as long as like it's not like too pricey. Yeah, I don't mind it. Damn. Freaking Apple, yo. I'm trying to get the thing open. Crazy. I gotta pry this thing open. Like, what can I do? I gotta do something like this. Jesus Christ. God. Man, these package engineers going crazy right now. Oh, dummy. He's a big dummy. It was like two things on the drum, but all right. He's like the little small interface. I don't know why it looks so like blinding, but bam. Yep. So this is pretty much how it looks. Just blank, and then I guess I gotta do the same for the band here. The band was most easy to open. So yeah, I say. He's gonna get it easy. Okay, that works. Okay, there we go. Cool. All right, so I got that done, and it looks like you just got put it on the side here. So you just gotta go side and I guess side. Okay. And then I guess you just gotta go like this. Okay. Yeah. All right. So yeah, I say like it'll do something like this. So I got like I think it's called like the blue titanium band. But yeah, I'm gonna get that done. So I got that. Boom. I hope I did this right, but oh yeah, I need to charge it too. God, why also be like packed like so tight? But yeah, I'm about to say, let me like I'm over here struggling. That's in my I gotta put it on the cycle, but yeah. And then obviously this is how the charger is. Of course, Apple nowadays they don't include no USB. You just gotta plug it in somewhere and pray. So that's what I'm gonna do here. So I'm gonna. So actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this charge, and then go on from there. So catch y'all a little bit. All right, back at it. I let charge for like a little bit. So let me see if it comes on a little bit. There we go. Yeah, so I had like on charger for about probably 30 minutes or so. So we'll go wait for Jordan to boot up. All right, guys. Pretty much like a day or so later. So I was gonna do it, but like do like actually like show like step by step, but the camera died. So, but to pretty much like activate it, it's pretty easy. But as long as you got your iPhone with you, you can just do it simple. And what I like about it is like you kind of customize it off your iPhone too. You like kind of customize, things like the notifications you want, this and that. So, but it's pretty much how the watch looks on wrist. I have like a Nike, like kind of the wallpaper. They had various different ways of how you want like your wallpaper and stuff like that on your Apple Watch, but I chose this one because it looks pretty unique. So, and then yeah, but I said this is pretty much the button of how to get like the home screen up. And then home screen, a whole bunch of apps on there. So yeah, you can do all the right. So you could call, text, and all that. But for me, I've been focused on my fitness, so you gotta get to the fitness stuff. So yeah, not too bad, not too bad. Right there. So honestly, so far I'm pretty impressed with the watch. Honestly, I probably should keep it on, like more other than not. Cause like I said, like I'm trying to track my steps and like things like that. So just like steps, calorie burn, cause today, for example, like I did a rest day, but I still been moving around, like even in the house, cleaning some stuff up, moving around and things like that. Obviously, like when I go out somewhere, I'll put it on so I track my steps and things like that. But I think I would wear this more often, like this in general. Like take it off obviously when like shower or any type of like maybe more rigorous activities where it could get damaged. So like for example, like playing sports, I doubt I play this like sports, but yeah, like in the gym easily, out and about, you know, shopping or converse with friends, yes, and things like that. So. But that's all I have for this video. Like this video, get a thumbs up, and I'll catch y'all next time.